Hello, good morning from Kaushik Rajendran, and I'm Director and Chief Architect of Sparta Systems. Today I'm just gonna demo you our product called as AAYUWIZ. AYU as in life and Wiz as wizard. So first we would like to show you all the core features that we have, and some of the core features that we are highlighting today is uh, remote patient care, smart pharmacy, and connected lab, and so on. So first let's go with remote patient monitoring. Actually what it does is it collects patient from 10 different sensors as you see in the picture, your ECG, EMG, glucometer, and pulse, and so on, and it collects the data and send it to IOS server. So let me show you a glimpse of that module. So I'm just logging in as one of the doctor in our system, and I'm just going and opening our patient wizard. This patient wizard has a module called as monitoring module. So once the hardware really starts sending the data, so you have a feature called as self monitoring where you'll start collecting the data here. So whenever a patient is doing testing, for example every day, based on the frequency whatever doctor has prescribed, the data is published here from that device to the server of iOS. Next important thing that we are going to show is the connected diagnostics. So connected diagnostics is again a very simple module where you take some of the real scenario. Okay, a doctor want to do a ECG. Okay, now what he does is he just goes and gives some indication or reason for any patient test, and he select what test he wanted to do, and suddenly just by submitting it, the application asks patient to to be referred to some of the following diagnostic center. Actually the doctor can go and choose either his favorite diagnostic center or internal department of the same clinic, or it's an external diagnostic center too which is associated with iOS. So he should be able to just select some of these thing, and just select emergency and give some notes and order diagnostics. So by ordering these diagnostics, what really happens is it stores a medical record here and share the same information to the lab as a lab user, and he should be able to go, the lab user should be able to go log in and then open the system. And the next important module that we are going to talk today is our smart RX system. So smart RX, why we call that smart RX is because it's not just about prescribing a drug or something. It also has an associated allergy history and drug interaction module associated. If you really see, for example, if I want to just go and just select, I'm just selecting any medicine here. So what I would like to show here is it really picks up and show all the detailed information along with the generic name and the indication, contraindication, and all. And also if you really note, this is what we have added, which means a doctor or an administrator would be able to store a predefined default frequency and duration for each and every medicine. So he need not necessarily, certain medicines are like that. I mean, you can just go and set a default frequency for a normal condition probably, and of course we always provide an option to go and customly give whatever option he want. And yeah, this is our smart RX module. And the next important thing that we would like to show is our referral module. So referral module is again, you really see, you can just go doctor, as a doctor Kiran, I'm logged in. If I want to really refer my patient to some other doctor based on his specialty, for example today some patient visit an emergency care and he wanted to be uh, one second, really referred to an orthopedia based on the emergency condition or some other thing, he can just go and select, or even anesthesiology, he can just go select and click on the doctor and click on the emergency and give some notes, and that's it. By referring this, what happens is this patient record is already shared to the so here the patient is already referred, which means this patient record is already available with Dr. Ankur Nair, where he can log into our IVS and start collecting the data and take care of the patient. So yeah, this is some of the features that we wanted to highlight it now. Probably we'll have a very elaborated discussion when in need. Thank you and see you then. Bye.